What is up, YouTube? I am doing a Hot Wheel unboxing, big unboxing of 4, 5, 6, 7 Hot Wheels. 4 in the back, 2 up here, and 1 there. That's 7. Yeah, 7 Hot Wheels I am going to unbox. So let's start out with the one that I had for a long time, the Acura NSX 2017 Acura NSX. Here we go. This is a really cool car. I really like it. I think I have some like this, but I probably want another one. I don't know. This thing is nice. The Acura symbol is off. Acura logo is off. It's not centered. Nice headlights. Here's the back of it. A very, very nice car. Engine is in the back. Right there is the engine. I'm pretty sure that's where it is. And move that car over there. Next car is custom Ford Maverick. And here's the back of the box. Pause if you want to read it. Anyways, here we go. This is a very nice car. This was at Ingles. You can get at Ingles or Walmart or wherever you are. I have an Ingles near me. That's and Walmart. Ingles and Walmart. This is a very, very nice car. Man, I really like this car. Gold rims. I'm not a big fan of the gold. Don't really like the gold rims. That's the tailpipe. Exhaust. Next car. I know I had this in my last unboxing video of Hot Wheels. I forgot to unbox it. So here it is. I know, I'm sorry guys, I totally forgot to unbox this car. I thought I did. I guess I didn't. I didn't find out until later. This is a Fairlady 2000. Very, very nice car. Number 2 on it. A lot of sponsors on the side. Very nice car. I really like it. I'm trying to see what side. Steering wheel. Okay, steering wheel's on the side. Trying to find a gas tank. Underneath of it, Fairlady 2000. Very nice car. I really like that one. Nice paint scheme. Next one is Corvette Grand Sport. I have one, but mine's gray. I already have a Grand Sport, but it's gray, not blue like this one. I like the blue one better than the gray, but I was still getting the gray one. Very nice Grand Sport. Are you kidding me? That's all from this one car. That's all paint chips. It's all nothing but paint chips that just came off the car. Oh man. The liner was bad. I like the black wheels. That's pretty cool. believe the engine, yeah, the engine's in the front of this one. That's trunk, not a lot of trunk space. This is more of a drifter type car, not street. It's more for drifting and racing. That's the headlights. See, paint already chipped off of that. Next is custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. This is also for more for drifting. And here is the back of it. A very, very nice car. I really like it. And it's 18. For some reason there's a number 19. I would have put number 18 with instead of 19 there. Oh crap. How do I get this off? Oh. Trying to open this. Well, there goes that part. That hurt. Don't do what I just did. You're gonna hurt yourself like me. That's really not a smart idea by me for what I just did. Don't ever do that. Anyways, here is the custom Ford Mustang. The front grille. Oh man, I really like this car. That's nice. I like that blue thing in the middle. That's pretty cool. I like the windows tinted blue, orange stripe going down and down it. Here's the back of it underneath. I will show you what this thing does here shortly once I get done showing off car. It's supposed to be like that. If you get it like this, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to look like that. Anyways, still splitter moves up and down. You gotta make sure it's hooked under that. Just don't push on it too hard, you will break it. There. That's a very nice car. I really like it. This is more like of drag racing. This is more of like loops and stuff. Very nice car. Next one is a 64 Chevy SS. I like that engine's front. This thing looks mean. Can probably smoke any car for like a drag race. That's my guess. Very nice car. I like the wheels. Wheels are gray. Gray wheels. I like the blue and orange stripe on this side and on the front. Oh, gold. It would probably look better if it was black or this being black. These colors being brighter. See, it's a metallic. Like that motor in the front. Very nice car. Very nice. I really like that one. Last but not least, McLaren 720S, or is that 5? I don't know. But this thing is a beauty. I have a white one already. One purple. Need purple. This thing is awesome. I really like this purple car. See, it's a see-through roof. I believe the engine is in the back. Like that. Purple. That's nice. It's like glittery. That's a very nice car. I really like it. McLaren. That's the splitter, the front right there, the nose of the car. Very nice McLaren. I really like it. And I will actually have a tournament with these cars here shortly. Well, more later video. I'm gonna have a tournament with these. Well, I will have to get a different Hot Wheel car. You see these three. These two will be together. Well, more of muscle cars will be together. Like these two will be together. These two will be going together. These two go together. Then these two would go together. Then the Fairlady 2000 just be lucky enough to even make a lap. So I'm gonna see if it will make a lap in a later video, not right now. Very nice cars. I really like. I love all of these. Probably my favorite is probably this purple McLaren, or this one. This is more of a muscle car. So a couple muscle cars. 1, 2, 4 muscles. 2 exotic sport cars. This one I don't know where that would go. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing of Hot Wheels. And I will have more videos coming up soon. I have a lot more videos planned, don't worry. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and be safe.